1916. The fulfilling 100 years journey of the Zoological Survey of India, ZSI, began. The seed was sown in 1784, when Sir William Jones founded the Asiatic Society of Bengal, where innumerable collections of zoological specimens were deposited, which later was handed over to the Indian Museum in 1875. From 1875 to 1916, the zoological section of the Indian Museum steadily expanded, and finally, a totally separate department for zoology was born on the 1st of July 1916, with Dr. Thomas Nelson Annandale as the first director.
It all began with 4 members. In 100 years, the ZSI committed team is around 1,000 members strong. Men and women with a will to deliver the best. A body of national significance and international contribution with 16 regional centers spread across varied ecosystems of India, with its headquarters at Kolkata.
Zoological Survey of India under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change is primarily working on inventorization and documentation of the fauna diversity of the whole country, covering about 97,000 animal species reported from the Himalayas to the depth of oceans. This is the only organization in India which is working on all the group of animals, starting from the protozoa to the mammalia.
ZSI, a rich legacy of a centenary, serving the nation, sharing faunal knowledge, documentation and research findings scientifically and with modern innovations. Supports the Government of India in solving various wildlife crime cases by identifying seized wildlife materials pertaining to different groups like mammals, reptiles, birds, mollusks, and butterflies. For awareness and sensitization on issues pertaining to environmental awareness and wildlife preservation, varied training and capacity building is imparted to enforcement agencies like Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, forest departments, coast guards, paramilitary personnel like SSB, media persons, NGOs, students, and researchers. ZSI's versatile vista, from the mighty Himalayas to the deep depths of the oceans, exploring the new and the unknown through its survey and inventorization. Till date, around 4,600 new species are ZSI's discoveries, enriching the faunal resources of the country.
In conservation of biodiversity, ZSI plays a major role in providing technical help to different communities and stakeholders.
Ecosystem services rendered by various insects that act as pollinators are studied and monitored by ZSI, ensuring food security of the country, as without them, many agricultural and food crops may not be available for the mankind. ZSI's contribution to the national marine biodiversity has seen about 21,000 marine species being explored. 5,000 species have been reported in the last 1 decade. Training programs on scuba diving and marine fauna, spreading marine awareness through 2 popular marine aquariums have made marine faunal knowledge available to the masses.
The study on effect of climate change on fauna has been undertaken by ZSI by establishing permanent monitoring plots in the Himalayan landscape. Status survey studies on different endangered species, environmental impact assessment (EIA) studies are regularly conducted by ZSI.
From the smallest protozoa to the largest mammalia, ZSI's research covers all, with the unique distinction of being the only national body doing so. It houses more than 4 million specimens, with collections from over 30 countries, and some even dating back to 250 years.
The ZSI library has different kinds of rare and valuable books, journals, periodicals, and offers free consultation services to the scientific community.
Digital India is the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, inspired by which ZSI is progressing towards digital ZSI, under which all the publications of ZSI comprising 2.5 lakh pages are digitized and available for international access.
ZSI's digital presence is reaching out to students, researchers, and general public through the social media and environmental information system, ENVIS.
The ZSI Publication Division publishes different kinds of books like the Red Data Book, Fauna of India and Conservation Areas, Animal Discoveries, special publications for Centenary, and also has an in-house journal.
"100 years of excellence in faunal research." ZSI today represents a shining modern state-of-the-art infrastructure. Five modern ZSI DNA laboratories nationwide make breakthroughs in DNA barcodes of different species, generated along with gene conservation in the tissue bank.
In the near future, the ZSI GIS base will be showing the different distributional patterns of species collected from different locations.
In the days to come, ZSI is ready for innovations, explorations, and new discoveries for future India.
The ZSI route map in the next century envisages a day when all significant information of 1 lakh animal species reported from the country would be available in a microchip with DNA barcodes, available at the click of a mouse. The Zoological Survey of India, in its next 100 years, aspires to see a future which would work towards protecting the extinction of faunal species to its existence forever.